Do you ever wonder what a church does to prepare for their congregation on days like we are in now with COVID around? If you look at our pews, we have just sterilized, we have just waxed and sanitized all of the seats and all of the pews and everything in our church. And now we have a professional company who is going to spray sanitizing solution, and they're going to sanitize the entire building. And we would love to have you on Sunday morning at 11 o'clock to worship with us in a safe environment. May the Lord bless you.